Would you look at that? That's not how that's supposed to look. I'm supposed to have one of those round things right there. Yeah. So I just pulled this load of straw out of the barn to take up to our American Legion. I donate, I don't know, 80 to 100 bales to them every fall for their turkey shoot. They use this as the backstop. Just pulled it out of the barn, and well, there's the tire underneath of there. The darn thing has just fallen right off. Ain't that some crap? Huh. Well, I gotta figure out what the deal is there. I don't know if the bearing just went bad on it, or if the axle broke. I think the axle actually broke off of it. The spindle, rather. I think the end broke off of it. Okay, I guess I am pulling the other wagon out to take up to them. Yeah, I guess I'll pull that wagon out and take up to them and fix this tomorrow. Man, what a way to end the day. That's not good. Oh well. The things we deal with some days. First, I'm going to get here. I'm going to shove it here to get it back onto the frame. Over in that barn, between the bush hog and the sprayer, there's 2 cinder blocks back by the pole. A full cinder block and a half. I'll bring that over here, so then I can lift it up off of the ground once I shove it over. We'll put those cinder blocks under here so we can then chain it up some kind of a way.
Yeah, you're good. All right, lift up. Go up some more. Go up a little more. Good. All right, lower it down.
There, and then if this tongue will come and hit against here, then maybe I can move it back without bending much up, without the tongue hitting there. We'll try.
That good?
That's good. Well, I'm not sure how much you saw because I didn't have a full battery, but we got the wagon in here. We did it the redneck way. You saw some of it where we just kept blocking it up, letting it down, turning it around some more. Because of the angle it was at, that's why we had to keep blocking it to turn it into the barn. Basically, it looks like it was a clean break on this spindle here, where it just broke and the tire fell off. We probably put too much weight on these wagons than what they're rated for, but the wagon is 40 plus years old, maybe 50 years old. We had it in the tobacco fields when we were raising tobacco, and then once we stopped that, put the sides on it for straw. So I'm gonna get the straw off of here. Over the next couple of months, we'll take straw up to the hardware store, a truckload at a time. Then I'll get a welder down here this winter and see if we can get that welded back up. All right, it's in the barn.